Hello friends. I hope you and your families are safe and healthy. We are back with one more educational video with the data, tips and information. Today in this video, we will discuss important facts you should know about LinkedIn. If you are beginner or using LinkedIn for a while, please watch this video till the end to find out how you can use LinkedIn to even earn money, can start your own business, grow your professional network, and many more. Let's see the first point, if you are a beginner on LinkedIn. First of all, let's talk about LinkedIn if you are not aware of it. So, it's a social media platform for professionals. If you are an entrepreneur, businessman, employer, employee, job seeker, or even a student, you can use LinkedIn to grow your professional networking and get professional results. It's not equivalent to other online media stages, like Instagram, Facebook, and others, where you post your own photographs and stories. LinkedIn has only your professional connections, not family members and relatives, so post content related to your work or whatever appreciable in context to that. And it has its own advantages and disadvantages too. Let's see second point, how to earn money from LinkedIn. Now, many of you might be thinking, how can we make money through LinkedIn? You can generate revenue in a variety of ways here, both directly and indirectly. Let's say you're a business owner who needs to hire some employees. As a result, you can quickly find relevant people on LinkedIn, potentially saving money on hiring costs. This is how you make money in a roundabout way. Also, you can build your personal brand. You can connect with the end consumers directly, and use that data in expanding your business. If you are a job seeker or a student, you can get hired. Keep posting relevant content, related to your expertise, and what work you want to do. HR professionals will contact you, if they notice you. Apart from this all, you can find prospectus and sell your products and services to relevant people. If you somehow manage to gain a lot of followers, you can teach people and earn money through training. You can work for big brands and promote them through LinkedIn. So once you understand the game of LinkedIn, you'll be able to explore more opportunities to monetize your profile and earn a good amount of money. Let's see the third point. How to gain more followers on LinkedIn. As we have discussed, now that you need followers to earn money from LinkedIn, let's jump into the most interesting part of this video, how you can increase more followers on LinkedIn. First of all, I would recommend you to decide a specific niche, on which you'll be putting content. Find some of the most popular people in the same niche and send them a connection request. Follow them, and keep engaging with their content. Don't be in a hurry. Keep patience and be consistent. Post daily at least once, and it would be great if you do 2 to 3 posts. While writing posts, don't take long paragraphs. Readability should be your first priority. Try not to include links on your posts. If required, post it in the first comment. If you want to post video content, upload a native video on LinkedIn, and try not to embed YouTube or any other platform's video. Write at least 2 articles per week. Keep engaging with your audience and eventually, you'll see some growth on regular basis. Let's jump into the point number 4. Future scope of LinkedIn earning and growth. First of all, talking about the scope, seriously, it's immense. Besides all the platforms, LinkedIn is one of the best ones which has organic reach, especially in today's time. If you keep posting valuable content regularly, people will surely notice you, and eventually, LinkedIn is going to give a good amount of organic reach, which in turn will help you to grow your followers. Now, earning part. If it has organic reach, then, of course, you'll have earning opportunities too. The sky is the limit, just believe in your content and always try to help people through it. Let's see the final point in this video. Join LinkedIn groups and gather feedback. Have a new idea or a product that's just been launched? This is the place to ask for feedback from people whose ideas and opinions you trust. If you're a business, asking for input can be a great way to identify potential customers and to make current customers feel valued. And notice that asking for input also gives you an opportunity to mention a product or service without it sounding like an advertisement. If you're an association, asking for input allows you to learn more about what your members, or potential members, really want. We hope this video have given you some great insights. Please let us know in the comment box about your views. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.